Welcome back, viewers. In one of the earlier YouTube shorts that I have shared with you on our channel, I have shown you how to enable the OS prober in EndeavourOS. So OS prober is not enabled by default in EndeavourOS. You have to do it manually. So I have shown you the method in that YouTube short. You can check out on our channel playlist. Now, after the OS prober is enabled, it will uh, detect the foreign OS if it is there on your system in the next reboot. So when you enable the OS prober and restart, it will detect the foreign OS which is present on your system, on your laptop desktop, and it will try to add the entry to the Grub. It will update the Grub, but what happens is the Grub will not show you the updated entries sometimes. So when you will reboot your system, OS prober will do its work, but the Grub will not show you the updated entries. So for that, you are required to update the Grub manually. And how to do the manual updation of Grub, I will show you. So you have to open your terminal after the reboot. So you have seen that the entries are not updated. The foreign OS is still not shown in the Grub entries, though the OS prober has done its work. So for that you have to open your terminal and pass this command: sudo grub -make config -o boot grub dot configuration, that is CFG, and then the system will automatically generate the grub configuration file. You can see here it will also find the background, that is the splash screen. Then it will find the Linux image, the init rd image, the fallback init rd image. It will find the Linux image. So 2 kernels it has found, and it will update that, and OS prober will be executed. So it will again manually trigger the OS prober, and the entries will be added to the Grub menu. And you can see here it has found the Windows boot manager on my SSD, so that it will add it in the Grub entries. And once you do this command, the command is executed, you have to reboot, and you can see the updated Grub entries, and you will find the Windows boot manager or the Windows entry is also there in the Grub menu for your system. So this is how you have to do it, and get the foreign OS entries in your Grub after you enable the OS prober in EndeavourOS. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.